Everyone thinks the best-selling water sprinkler is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, AUTOMAN Garden Hose Nozzle. Let's kick things off with the AUTOMAN Garden Hose Nozzle. Priced at just $8.99, this nozzle caught my attention with its 7 adjustable watering patterns. If you want a simple way to customize your watering routine, this is worth a serious look. What makes this nozzle stand out is its versatility. The 7 different patterns mean you can easily switch from a gentle mist for your flowers to a powerful jet for cleaning your car. Each pattern is designed to meet different watering needs, so you won't waste water or time. It's also made of lightweight yet durable ABS and TPR materials, which means it's comfortable to hold while you're watering your garden or washing your dog. With over 26,300 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it's clear that people love this product. Now, some users have complained about the nozzle's durability over time. Here's the thing, though, if you're careful with it and don't drop it, it can last a long while. So, if you're someone who values a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, this nozzle is perfect for you. This is great for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable garden hose nozzle. Skip this one if you need something heavier duty or more complex. Now, if the AUTOMAN's lack of ruggedness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Orbit H206 Gear Drive Sprinkler. Next up is the Orbit H206 Gear Drive Sprinkler, priced at $23.99. What caught my eye, it's customizable with 6 spray patterns. If you want efficient coverage for your lawn, this is a solid choice. The standout feature here is its 6 spray patterns, which allow you to choose exactly how you want to water. The rotating head also lets you customize the watering angle, ensuring that every inch of your lawn gets the love it deserves. With over 8,800 reviews and a consistent 4.2-star rating, it's clear that this product is making waves. However, some users mention that it can be tricky to adjust the spray settings initially. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, this flexibility is a game changer for targeting those hard-to-reach areas in your yard. This is perfect for homeowners looking for a reliable and customizable sprinkler. Skip this one if you're looking for something that works straight out of the box without adjustments. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with larger lawns. Product number 3, Hunter PGP-ADJ Rotor Sprinkler. Coming in at number 3 is the Hunter PGP-ADJ Rotor Sprinkler, available for $20.48. What impressed me? Its adjustable arc and spray distance. If you want a precise watering solution, this is definitely worth your attention. With a spray distance of 22 to 52 feet, you're not limited in how far you can reach, making it great for larger areas. Plus, the gear-driven design ensures that it operates quietly while still delivering consistent coverage. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,800 reviews, it's clearly well regarded. Now, some folks found it challenging to install without the right tools. But here's the thing. If you're willing to put in a bit of effort to set it up, the performance is fantastic and well worth it. This is ideal for those who have larger lawns and want precise control over their watering. Skip it if you need a simpler, more straightforward solution. Now, if installation ease is your main concern, the next product might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, WMADE Heavy Duty Metal Pulsating Sprinkler. Next, we have the WMADE Heavy Duty Metal Pulsating Sprinkler, priced at $16.99. I was drawn in by its all-metal construction. If you need something durable for larger areas, this might be the one. The heavy-duty zinc alloy design not only makes it resistant to rust, but also adds stability, so it won't tip over easily while in use. It can cover an impressive 85-foot diameter, ensuring that your lawn stays lush and green even during the hot summer months. The adjustable spray pattern from 20 degrees to 360 degrees allows you to customize coverage based on your lawn's needs. With a solid rating of 4.2 stars from 658 reviews, it's a reliable choice. However, a few users mention that it can be a bit difficult to connect to hoses. here's the thing, once you manage the connection, it runs like a champ and keeps your lawn healthy. This is perfect for anyone with a larger lawn who wants something robust. Skip it if you need a quick connect feature or something less complex. Alright, that was a solid choice. But if you're after maximum coverage, the next one might just be your best bet. Product number 5, Eden Weighted Oscillating Sprinkler. Finally, we have the Eden Weighted Oscillating Sprinkler, which comes in at $63.66. What caught my eye? Its ability to cover up to 3,600 square feet. If you need broad coverage for a larger lawn, this could be the best solution. Equipped with 16 precision nozzles, this sprinkler ensures that you get maximum coverage without missing any spots. The adjustable sliding range and flow control knob let you target specific areas, making it easy to customize your watering routine. With a turbo drive motor, it operates smoothly, and the weighted base keeps it stable during use. With over 522 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that this one is a favorite among users. One downside is its higher price point, which some users found a bit steep. But here's the thing, if you have a larger space that needs consistent watering, the quality and efficiency make it worth the investment. This is perfect for anyone with a big yard looking for reliable coverage. Skip this one if you have a small garden or don't need extensive coverage. To wrap things up, we covered 5 solid options today. The AUTOMAN nozzle is excellent for versatility, the Orbit H2O for customization, the Hunter PGPADJ for precision, the WMADE for durability, and the Eden for expansive coverage. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your lawn needs best. To wrap things up, we covered 5 solid options today. The AUTOMAN nozzle is excellent for versatility, the Orbit H2O for customization, the Hunter PGPADJ for precision, the WMADE for durability, and the Eden for expansive coverage. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your lawn needs best.